When you're doing a takeoff, you want to put out a good product. You want to put out something that, the company can stand on, because if you win the bid, you're locked into that bid. Something that I had to learn was it's not what's actually shown in the drawing, it's what's not shown. Maybe it's hidden in the specs or hidden in the general notes and the plans. You just have to be focused and understand what you're building and kind of making sure that you pick up all the things that aren't shown. The separation between a good takeoff and a great one is being precise. At the end of the day, the end owner, now they can look at what you provided and understand, okay, this is what my full cost is. By using Bluebeam, you're able to capture all of that metadata in your markups list. It is very versatile, and being able to filter to certain things. So you can look at each markup and know exactly what that markup was for. A defensible takeoff means if you have several buildings, for instance, so whoever is receiving those bids will always come back and say, okay, give me a price for just building A, and let's exclude building B. So if you're doing that and doing it the traditional way back on paper, you basically have to go back and do that takeoff again. Using Bluebeam, you don't have to go through that anymore. You can use Bluebeam to filter that material from building A and building B. And when you filter that material, now you can capture that, separate it, and you've done that, and it takes maybe 5 minutes. Going through this ebook, you'll have a better understanding of how Bluebeam can help you do a good takeoff. You're gonna feel more confident because you have the confidence to not second guess yourself, because you've captured it. You can generate different types of reports to show that. And Bluebeam Max with MCP, now you're able to generate a quote and actually use Claude to search for things that are critical or things that you may have missed. And it'll actually give you that report, and you can include that also in your final bid package. Bluebeam has really stepped it up and really pushing things to a whole new level, giving you that confidence that you have just a full, complete, and perfect quote.